Today I was craving some chicken, so I made these barbecue chicken with thighs and drumsticks, and they did not disappoint. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Fall off the bone, and the barbecue sauce is so good. Let me show you how I made this. I'm going to start with my seasonings first. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons each of Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, brown sugar, paprika, and some parsley flakes. And I'm just going to whisk this together until well combined. What I did with my chicken is I just placed it on my baking sheet with some foil, and now I'm just going to brush on some olive oil. You can use a cooking spray. The choice is up to you. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to start sprinkling on my seasonings. I am going to season both the front and the back of each chicken. After I'm done with that, I'm going to pat each chicken down, just making sure that the seasoning sticks to each. And I have my oven preheating at 400 degrees. I'm going to place these in my oven and bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes. After that, I take it out, brush on some barbecue sauce. I'm going to add it back to the oven for 15 minutes, and I will be brushing on another coat of barbecue sauce and letting that bake for 5 minutes. And after that, barbecue chicken is all done. Looks so delicious. I'm just going to add it to my plate here. This chicken, like, seriously, is so good. I've made it before and it never disappoints. The whole family loves it. Fall off the bone, super tender, and just when you are really craving chicken, this is the one to make. Super delicious.